Today we're at the Ackerman-Allen Course at the Birck Boilermaker Golf Complex at Purdue University, located in West Lafayette. This par 72 course, which opened in 1998 and was designed by Pete Dye, plays to a maximum length of 7,546 yards. The 36-hole Birck Boilermaker Complex hosted the 2025 Junior PGA Championship, marking the latest high-level championship to be played on the campus of Purdue University. The Ackerman-Allen Course was originally the South Course and opened in 1934. It was then renovated in 1968 by legendary architect Larry Packard before Pete Dye became involved in a late 90s renovation. All right, we're here on the 16th hole, Ackerman-Allen, great par 5. It's going to go left to right, and then you're going to come back the other way a little bit, just a little bit. Let's try and get out there over these bunkers to the right. All right, third shot here on the 16th, Ackerman-Allen. You got to get this over the bunker, and then let it release just a little bit to the hole. All right, par 3 17th here, Ackerman-Allen. It's a good hole bunker all up the left. You got a little bit of an aiming bunker here, small bunker, coffin bunker. You're going to want to hit a draw into this flag, especially on the left side today. Pin high here on the par 3 17th. Missed just out to the right a little bit. We've got a uphill, then downhill putt. It's going to go right to left, so you're going to have to be careful with the speed. We hit it too hard. Our par 4 18th here, Ackerman-Allen. This is a beast of a par 4. 490 from the tips. You've got to shoot. You've got to hit this drive down, preferably with a cut, because otherwise you might be hitting the overhanging trees. This is a challenging way to finish this golf course. Second shot on the par 4 18th. This is a beast of a hole. You've got a long, but a gorgeous second shot into this very modern, brand new clubhouse. Bunkers on the left, you don't want to be there. Tree on the right, you don't want to be there. So you're being asked to do everything here with a long iron in your hand. Got a 4-footer left here for par on a great day of 36 holes here at Birck Boilermaker.
All right, wrapping up 36 at the Purdue Golf Complex. Absolutely fabulous day. Loved it.
Really incredible place. Two completely different styles of golf course. One more kind of a country club style, one more a little bit more linksy style. Just a great, genius place to play golf.
Boiler up, babies. Come down to Purdue and play some golf. We're golfing in Indiana. See ya.
Blast off from Purdue and into downtown Lafayette, featuring restaurants, shops, galleries, and nightlife that offer something unique to all. Take the family to the Columbian Park Zoo for the otters, butterflies, wallabies, and more. Venture out further into the park for train rides and pedal boats. The walls of McGraw's Steak Shop and Fish House highlight the famous guests that have stepped inside over the years. See you soon in Indiana.